Hello everyone, it's Tracy at TierraCast. I want to tell you about one of our collections, a particularly beautiful one I think, Dulce Vida, the Sweet Life. This line was born out of our founder Stephen Tierra's imagination and created in collaboration with a local Sonoma County artist. It is inspired by precious metal clay art and features a really wonderful handmade aesthetic, with heart, flower, and garden motifs. There were originally 33 components in the collection, but it has proven so popular that we recently added a few more items, bringing the line to 37 pieces. Let's take a look. The motifs used throughout this collection are Amor, Flora, and Jardin. The Amor parts are heart-themed and include a pendant and charm, a link, and 2 shank buttons, one round and one heart-shaped. The Flora components are all about flowers, with some charms and a pendant, some links and rings, and a toggle clasp. The Jardin parts are garden-themed, with vines and flowers on an assortment of charms and beads, including this new lotus puffed bead, links and rings, a 2-hole button, also one of our new additions, and a toggle clasp. There are also post earrings, pinch bails in 2 sizes, and these exciting new crimpable end caps that fit 2 strands of 2mm cord. These are very easy to use. You just insert an end cap over the cords and then use flat nose or nylon jaw pliers to crimp them. You can also use glue if you prefer. All of these parts are reversible with different patterns on each side for more design options. Each piece is unique, yet all of them work beautifully together. We chose rustic, earthy finishes for this collection, antique pewter, and brass ox. So that we could make it easy to design with these parts, we went through our product offerings and added the antique pewter and brass ox finish to some of our most popular spacer beads, caps and cones, and posts and bezels. They also work wonderfully with our bangle and wire bracelets. These supporting components make this line even more exciting and versatile to design with. We've also had a lot of fun using metal hole punches and coloring agents with this line. The motifs of this collection, hearts, flowers, and garden, are universally appealing and represent the sweet things in life, love, beauty, and friendship. We love working with this collection and hope you will as well. You can find them at your favorite source for beads and jewelry making supplies. As always, please check out our social media platforms for ongoing projects and news. Thank you for watching.